Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on your Windows 11 PC to remind you of tasks at a specific time. Super easy and handy, works on Windows 10 too with a slight name difference. Just let's dive right in. First, start by opening the search menu, click that magnifying glass on your taskbar and type alarm. The base mode should be clock. On Windows 10, it might say alarms and clock, but either way, it will pop up if you search alarm or clock. Hit enter to launch it. If it's your first time, it might do a quick update. Just give it a second to load. Once it's opened, you will see an option like stopwatch and timer, but we're here for the alarm, so click the alarm tab on the left. You will see any existing alarm or none if it's fresh. To create one, click the plus sign on an existing alarm to edit, toggle it. Now set the time, tap it manually, or use up and down arrow like one digital clock. Next, pick your sound, click the drop-down to choose the alarm tone, and hit play icon to preview it. Customize the message to click the name, fill, and type something like meeting time or wake up. You can set like safe snooze interval, defaults 10 minutes. But if you want, then choose a day, daily, weekends, or specific ones by checking the box, not the following print. Alarms only work when your PC is awake, no sleep mode. Hit save when you're done. It's that simple. To test it, let's test one real quick. I will make it to go off in a few seconds, say 1 minute from now. Save it and wait with me. There it goes. The clock pops up, shows my message, and plays the sound. You can snooze it 10 minutes in my case or dismiss it to stop it completely. To edit or disable later, just click it and toggle it off. Keeps it saved but quiet. That's it, folks. Hey, guys, you're a quick way to stay on schedule with Windows 10 alarms. Make sure your system audio's on to hear it. Check your volume. If this helped you stay on time, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you next time. Keep those reminders ringing.